Maximizing your cereal's yields while keeping costs down is always a challenge. To make matters worse, diseases like Septoria, net blotch, rust and fusarium are constant threats as they can greatly affect your yield quality and quantity. Simply put, to maximize yields, you need maximum disease protection for your crops. Kayak Next from Syngenta will keep your crops safe from these diseases, while also helping you to keep costs down. Kayak Next delivers optimal, broad-spectrum protection for your crops, covering T1 to T3 stages. It is a reliable yet cost-saving solution for all cereal crops and supported by Syngenta expertise. The result? Maximum protection, healthy crops, and maximum yield, all while keeping the costs minimized. For maximum protection, order Kayak Next